What is greenness? Natural waste using is greenness. Energy-saving production is greenness. Environmental protection by technology is greenness. Ecological health is greenness. Giving more greenness back to the earth by technology. Vanjoin Group. Green production will abandon overexploitation. Far from yellow sand filling the sky. Hug for high sky with light clouds. Energy-saving production will no longer discharge sewage, refuse to pollute the mountains and rivers, acquire completely clear water and blue sky. Science and technology production will turn waste into treasure. Renewable energy will give back a green homeland. Upholding the company philosophy of giving more greenness back to the earth by technology. Vanjoin Group integrated the first-class university's professor resources at home and abroad, mixed the technological innovation and ecological concept together, and formed an intelligent green wall service system R&D team. Selected natural modified mineral powder and green plant fiber as raw materials. Concentrated attention and study intensively. After 10 years, we created a unique, rigid, and flexible interpenetrating dual network structure and ecological bionic system theoretical system. Established a leading position in ecological flexible tile field. So far, we dare to call for new heavens and sun. Let the blue sky and clear water reappear. By means of the natural modified mineral powder with waterproof, that easy to get powdering, and with self-colored natural characteristics, mixing the toughening effect of natural plant fiber. Vanjoin Ecological Flexible Tile has 8 outstanding advantages as follows. Various styles and vivid appearances. Vanjoin Flexible Tile takes natural materials as raw materials with high fidelity, adjustable sides, infinite styling, free piecing together. It can achieve the perfect decorative effects of natural stone, wood, leather, etc., which can fulfill all of your imagination of architectural decorations. Waterproof, self-cleaning, and sempre vivier. Vanjoin Flexible Tile takes unique anti-nanotechnology. Product surface appears lotus effect, and the contact angle of water surface reaches more than 120 degrees. Therefore, it bears good performance of excellent waterproof, surface self-cleaning. And from now on, bid farewell to high-rise building cleaning operation. Freeze-thaw resistance, anti-aging, remain the same in the centenary. Vanjoin Flexible Tile has gone through strict tests. Temperature changed alternately between plus 50 degrees Celsius and minus 50 degrees Celsius. There are no cracking, no powdering, no deformation. In extreme conditions, remain the same in the centenary. Full body, anti-UV, never fade. With a natural color of natural modified mineral powder, surface and inside keep in same color. Vanjoin Flexible Tile bears bright and various colors. Meanwhile, with a function of anti-UV effectively, the color will never fade. Lightweight, energy saving, easy transport, fast construction. Vanjoin Flexible Tile's weight is 1/7 of ceramic tiles, largely saving the transport costs, and the construction cost is 1/3 of ceramic tiles. Level A1 Fire Retardant, Effective Flame Retardant. Vanjoin Flexible Tile's main ingredient. For example, natural modified mineral powder is one with good quality with refractory and inorganic nature. The products reach Level A1 fireproof standard, reducing fire risk effectively and guarding cozy home. 3D sound absorbing, improve urban noise pollution. Through cross-linking reaction, the natural modified mineral powder green plant fiber, and other natural ecological materials formed unique rigid and flexible interpenetrating dual network structure. For example, the microstructure, like sponge, enabling Vanjoin flexible tile, can absorb the city noise effectively, therefore lessening urban noise pollution. Natural texture, no light pollution. Vanjoin flexible tile surface is with natural texture, without refracting and sunshine reflecting, refusing light pollution, improving the city traffic safety. As an innovative and eco-friendly decorative wall material, Vanjoin flexible tile is more convenient and superior than traditional materials, and the People's Life Health Index is higher. Our products have been widely applied to the old city reconstruction. Characteristic town, school, hospital, commercial street, hotel residence, and other high-rise buildings, leading to create a new era of ecological wall materials. From ancient to modern times, there are thousands of years of history. Human's construction has been constantly taking from nature the architectural mode of burning forest to farm. Draining the pond to catch fishes will eventually make the earth energy exhausted. People in Vanjoin determined to create something new for the world with social responsibility, innovate technology, and renew the residents. Let's join hands with Vanjoin to return greenness to Earth by science and technology, creating an ecological and lovable new ground for the whole world.